Good day to you. May we know your name, please?
Good day, Sir Madam. My name is Rosemary de la Cruz, 28 years old, married and gifted with 4 kids, 3 boys and 1 girl.
So what is your educational attainment?
I am high school graduate, but I can manage work in Hong Kong.
So do you have an experience working as a domestic helper
Yes,
before?
ma'am. I've been working here in Philippines in 2 years.
And how many members of the family you have served?
There are 5 members, the 1 couple, and the 3 children.
So what is your main duty of that employer before?
I'll do all household works and caring the children.
So in childcare, can you offer or can you sing a nursery rhyme for them?
Yes, ma'am.
Like?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky.
Okay, very well done, Miss Rosemary. So in baby care, what will you do if you found out that the baby cries late at night?
First, I have to check the diaper and check the time to feed the baby, and still crying, I will see if the baby is sick.
So now, what is your last message to your future employer?
To my future employer, Sir Madam, please give me a chance to work with you, and I will promise I will do all my best to do my job as your helper. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so before we end up, can you show us how to fix the bed?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you very much, Miss Rosemary, and I hope to see you very soon in abroad.
I hope so, ma'am.